Hi, if you're watching this video, it means you want to become a Pixel Math contributor on our platform. Pixel Math is a platform where kids come together to collaboratively solve math problems, practice maths in the form of a game. As a Pixel Math contributor, you will be expected to contribute interesting math questions for the students from grade 3 to grade 10. I'll walk you through the application process for becoming a Pixel Math contributor. You need to first open the link guest.pixelmath.org. You need to first sign up with your full name, your email ID, your phone number, you also need to choose a password, and then sign up. Once you sign up, you will be taken through the list of instructions which you need to read before proceeding. So there'll be a small assessment where we will assess how well you can make math questions aligned to specific concepts in a lesson. So you'll be given different grades for which you'll be making these questions. You have to create 2 questions aligned to each concept in the lesson. This is the video which will walk you through the process of making this math questions. So as you can see here, I have grade 6 here, and grade 6 is broken down into different concepts. Each concept is called a level, and each level is described here. So for example, the first level is demonstrate an understanding of working with large numbers. So similarly, revisit place value. For each of these concepts, you need to submit 2 questions, and we'll evaluate these 2 questions, and we'll look at the quality of the questions that you have contributed, and if the quality meets our standards, you'll be invited to become a Pixel Math contributor on our platform. So you can choose with any level. You can start with any level by pressing on add questions. You will see on the left side is a small editor where you can make the questions. We have multiple choice questions on our platform, so you need to enter the math questions and then the 4 options corresponding to the question. Also the correct answer, which is the correct answer for the question. So you need to enter the question here. On the right side, you will see the chapter PDF associated with the lesson that we are talking about. So this lesson is about numbers, knowing our numbers, and we need to make questions aligned to this concept in the chapter. Demonstrate an understanding of working with large numbers. So I'm going to show you how to create a sample question. So we write the main question here. So my question can be a simple addition question, which is you see here, these are different math symbols which you can use in your question. So for example, I'll demonstrate an understanding of how to use, let's say, a fraction, and this uses MathJax. So if I want to write a math question, I can just write it this way. Similarly, I can use another so this is how we enter the math equations or math symbols. Similarly, you can write square root, sum, superscript, subscript using these MathJax symbols. Similarly, you can upload any image for the question. So you can upload any image corresponding to this question. You can also upload images for You can upload the images for each of the options if needed. Here we just are going to write numbers, so I'm just going to put random options here. This is how you need to add options. And once you are done, you need to choose the correct answer, and then you can press on submit question. After you submit question, you will see that you have submitted 1 out of 2 questions for this level, and so you need to submit another question for this level. So similarly, you have to submit questions for each of these 8 or 9 levels, whatever number of levels are there for each chapter. And once you submit, you will see a thank you page, and we'll contact you after reviewing your questions within 7 days. Thank you so much.